Finally came back with some coins. Oh, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be busting myths about the coin that you can get from the circus map. There's two ways that you can get it. Um, either by going into the sewer place there. Both of the ways you have to go in there. And picking them up if someone's like distracting the clown. Or the second way that I use to get a full bag. Just go and get captured by the clown and just let him, or just like bring an umbrella, and make sure that you have double jump or beans unlocked. So then you're able to just like jump through the entire thing. So yeah. But the coin. First myth we're gonna bust. Um Not bust, but the first myth we're gonna find out, how much does the coin sell for? So first, just get a coin, throw it in there. Something that I like to do. Then you do it the opposite. Ooh, that's fire, bro. Aw, dang it. For something that's free, you do get 53 nuts. That's actually pretty nice. Another myth. Not myth, but something that we can do with the coins. We're gonna see. If you're able to, like, because my brother did this. I want to know if you're able to do it even without anyone in there. By the way, guys, at the end of the video, but like close to the end of the video, I will be going into a random public lobby, giving away half a bag full of coins. Or at least what I have left after I go gambling with them. Because what I will be doing is, before I do that giveaway, I will be I will be I will be seeing how many coins it takes to get double jump. Yeah, over here. So first, flip the camera, go like this. Because what my brother did is, what he did was he went like this. He like launched himself at the mirror. So I want to see if I'm able to do that. For him, there's literally nothing in there. So I want to see if I'll try one last time. If it doesn't work, I won't. I guess that didn't work. Holy, bro. That scared the ever-living fart out of me, bro. I come out of there and there's just an angular waiting for me. Cool. Right, guys? Yeah, also, another thing that we need to find out. Are you able to save the coin item? Let's see. 'Cause I don't. See, yeah, you guys are able. Oh, did I pick it up? Yeah. So yeah, you can't. You can't save it from there. Okay. So you can't just like dupe it. I know that's nice. Another myth that. Well, no, there's another thing that I can do. I don't think it's gonna work, but if it does, I'll be very, very, very surprised. Are you able to turn it in to the fishing thing? No, you're not. By the way, if you guys weren't here a couple hours ago, they were doing a pretty much live event where they were pretty much doing a live event where if you were in the game at that time you'd have infinite nuts, so you could literally just buy whatever you want. And they also said that if you asked for nuts at that time, that they would set your nuts back to zero. Not back to zero, but back to what they used to be. They did that anyways, so you're just allowed to spend as many nuts as you wanted for that time. Pretty nice. Wish they would have kept it though. I'd honestly, I'd honestly really like that. Also, another thing that they added, this new fishing hut. I'm guessing they're gonna slowly be adding all the fishing items into the hut. And if they do, then that'll be really, really nice. Alright, so why did it make it so then you guys stayed so far away? Follow distance 2. Make that one. Okay, there you go. So, another thing that I'm gonna do. I guess I'm probably not gonna. This is gonna be one of my shorter videos, but now it's time to find out how many coins will it take to get the more jumps. And if I run out of coins at the end, then I'll just give away this bag full of rainbow burritos that are also huge. I will be giving that away. If I get it first try, then I'm literally just him. Alright. Alright guys, let's go. I'm right now playing at my grandma's house, so um so yeah. Right now, yeah, I am playing at my grandma's house, so I'm not on my usual spot that I record at my house. So my brother's trying to talk to me, but I'm gonna finish this vid for you guys. So after after I'm done with this, then well, let's see how many coins it's gonna take to get the super jump. Right? Coin number 1. Nothing new. Nothing new. Coin number 2. Oh, cool, I got a big head. Coin number 3. Need to move you guys back so then. Oh, is it just making me lighter? Is that what it's doing? This is coin number 4. Oh, cool, I just became smaller. Coin number 5. Nothing new. Except for the fact that I go flying if I try to use my fart. This is coin number 6. Oh yeah, it became normal. Oh no, I became a little bigger. Okay. Yeah, this is a little bigger. Coin number 7. Nothing new. Coin number 8. I became even bigger. I became even bigger. Please, I don't want to become bigger again. Please turn me smaller. That's coin number 2. I became even bigger. I need to move this all the way back here just so then you guys are able to see me, right? I have to put you guys on the wall. What is this? I'm gonna just put that there, and then we can walk out here. That nothing happened. Cool. Guys, I became even bigger. Guys, I got the infinite jump. I'm pretty sure don't I gotta hold guys, I'm bigger than him. Sure about. Sure pal. I want him to throw a boulder at me and I want to see how much damage it does. Buddy, where are you throwing your rocks? No damage, bro. At this point, I should just be able to pick up the rock and throw it at him. You throw the rock at me again. Yo, he's actually doing damage, though. He's not able to pick me up, though. Oh, he picked me up! Kill me! My guy has no brain cells. You throw the rock at me. Am I gonna die from this? No, you need to throw one last rock, goofball. I'm gonna grab your head. I'm gonna rip your head off like you're a worm. Kill me! You need one last boulder. You did not throw that hard enough. Throw it harder. All you guys can probably see is just like green right now. Duh! I finally died. Holy, I like took up the entire forest. Okay, cool. I still have a big head, but I'm gonna just give away anyways. Real quick, let me get the bag back from that guy. I would have already done the giveaway if the magic machine did not make me as big as the Eiffel Tower. I just slammed you guys into a wall. Honestly, I feel like my head could probably take that. Well, how many coins do we got left in here? Plus, also, I do know that I haven't posted in a long, long time. But I'm sorry about that. Been busy. 11 coins I'm gonna give away to some random person. Cool, there's a modern here. I'm gonna break them open. Oh, this is really loud. Holy. That was loud. Hey, Black. Black, take this. That's yours. You're welcome. It has 11 coins in it. Because why not? Well, I would say that was a very successful. Bro didn't even know who I was. Well, you'll find out in the future if I become famous. That's my goal. Famous and also just want to make people happy. Well, like what I said, my head's gonna be able to take that. My head's gonna be able to take that fall. And I meant it.